In today's fast-paced life, financial difficulties have become a common concern. Everyone desires to overcome monetary challenges and ensure a steady flow of prosperity into their homes. To help achieve this, there are some simple and effective practices rooted in ancient traditions and practical wisdom. By following these remedies, one can attain wealth, progress in life, prosperity, and richness. In this video, we will share 7 simple yet effective Vastu tips that can bring abundance and happiness into your life. Number 1. Temple bells. Ringing temple bells at home is considered highly auspicious as it generates a cosmic sound energy that wards off negativity. Burning dhoop or lighting dhoop sticks in the house or puja mandir area and near the locker not only purifies the surroundings but also promotes a flow of positive energy, creating an uplifting and harmonious atmosphere. Number 2. The right placement of your safe. One of the most important tips is ensuring the proper placement of your safe or money locker or money storage. According to Vastu Shastra, west and southwest are good directions to keep lockers, but best direction is west-southwest, the zone of study and savings. These directions align with energies that attract wealth. Lockers should face north or east while opening. But best is north as it is direction of money and flow of money. You can also place your money locker in the north area of your home, as the north is considered the direction of Lord Kuber, the deity of wealth. However, ensure the locker opens towards the north to align with Vastu principles for attracting prosperity and financial growth. Additionally, keeping the safe clean and organized is essential as clutter symbolizes blocked prosperity. It is also believed that placing symbolic items like turmeric and akshata, meaning whole grain rice inside the safe, enhances the flow of wealth. Number 3. Cloves, camphor, and cardamom for prosperity. To remove negative energies and invite prosperity, burn a mix of cloves, camphor, and cardamom on Saturday or Sunday evenings. Carry the burning mixture around the house, allowing its smoke to fill all rooms, and then sprinkle the ash at the main entrance to eliminate negativity. If you find that money enters your life but disappears quickly, performing rituals with cloves and camphor can help. Burning these items in a silver vessel before sleeping is believed to ensure that money stays and multiplies. Wrapping 5 cloves and 5 camphor pieces in a red cloth and placing them near Devi Lakshmi's idol before burning them is another way to seek her blessings for prosperity. Number 4. Maintain the main door's cleanliness. Another crucial practice is maintaining the cleanliness and appeal of the main entrance of your home, as it acts as the gateway for positive energy, including prosperity. Regularly clean the door and decorate it with auspicious symbols like a swastik, om, or a toran, decorative garland to attract fortune. Hanging a coconut wrapping in the red cotton cloth at the entrance is another way to draw wealth and harmony into the household. Number 5. Lighting a lamp in near Tulsi plant. Lighting a cowbee lamp in front of a Tulsi plant daily is another powerful way to attract wealth and positivity. This practice not only purifies the home but also helps overcome financial challenges. Number 6. Salt for protection and wealth. Salt is another simple yet effective tool for reducing negativity and attracting wealth. Create a bundle of crystal salt and hang it near the main entrance. This is believed to strengthen positive influence of Shukra Graha, meaning Venus, and ensure financial stability. Number 7. Fix leaking taps and use mirrors wisely. Water, often seen as a representation of wealth, should flow properly within the house. Leaking taps are considered a symbol of financial losses, so repairing them promptly is essential. Mirrors, when placed strategically on the north or east walls, reflect positive energy and create a sense of abundance. For those facing mounting debts or pending payments, these rituals can provide relief and clarity, making it easier to resolve financial problems. Finally, ensuring good ventilation and natural light in your home, cleaning stagnant spaces, and practicing gratitude for what you already have are vital for maintaining a flow of abundance. By adopting these practices with faith and consistency, you can transform your financial situation and invite wealth, harmony, and success into your life. Shubham Bhavtu.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.